And there are frameworks that you can use to do this sort of Pareto optimization. Let's talk a little bit about the role of optimization in this whole frugal
Sure.
engineering paradigm. How do you bring in uh, how do you bring in optimization? How do you write the objective function that you want to optimize?
So this is a very good question, Mahesh, and people keep asking me, what is so different about Frugal? We always talked about agile, and there was lean manufacturing, all these different philosophies of doing design and engineering. I would say Frugal is one umbrella under which all of these fall down. I'll answer this question in two parts. By calling it Frugal, it also gives it, there is a connotation that you have to be scarce in using whatever you are, getting good quality in a good way. Okay, the others don't give that. Lean is fine, but frugal is something that it really brings that out. And currently in this era of you have global warming and the demographics, population inching, numbers are going higher, finite resources. You need something like engineering which is tweaked to do this, and frugal does that very well. So you can say it's a grand optimization problem. So objective function might be like if you take something like a jaw crusher, which one of my students has analyzed. A traditional jaw crusher has very bulky components. So you take any component. One goal is to make sure that the weight is less, so you consume lesser materials. But at the same time, you have to make sure that the manufacturing that goes into it is also not wasteful, low cost, high quality, along with the design, and cost is kept low at all levels. So it's an optimization at a very grand level. So your objective function, which is kind of very fuzzy to define here, it is a function of your quality, your cost, and your resource. And there are many constraints. Constraints which are not forcing. Only when you start working, you realize that there's a cost element involved here for this particular functionality. Is it possible to do this at lower cost? But I don't want to, compromise my quality. So yeah, it is a grand optimization problem, kind of fuzzy, with an objective function that is a function of many parameters and several constraints.